Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Biofreak. Let's talk about chem pathway or crassulacean acid metabolism. So here this pathway occurs in xerophytic plants or the desert plants like cacti or agave, or we have pineapple that has made this adaptation in order to store the carbon dioxide during the night time, and that carbon dioxide will be used during the daytime. Why this is done? Because first of all, these plants which are there in the arid environment, they are facing water scarcity, so they don't want to open their stomata during the daytime. So they open the stomata during the night time, and during this time the carbon dioxide is also taken up by the plant cell. Another thing, because of the higher temperature, they will use high amount of water if they open their stomata. So now this overall pathway is divided into the two phases, you can see. One phase occurs during the night time. So during the night time, when stomata are open, through the stomatas basically the carbon dioxide will enter the cell. Once this carbon dioxide is entering the cell, it will be quickly converted to the bicarbonate ion. Now we have chloroplast that has starch in them, right? So the starch is the product of the previous photosynthetic pathways, and basically that starch will be broken down to triose phosphate. Now this triose phosphate will move out of the chloroplast and will be converted, okay, or basically the phosphoenol pyruvate is one of them, and that phosphoenol pyruvate we saw even in the C4 cycle. Now this phosphoenol pyruvate and bicarbonate ion together will be converted to oxaloacetate by PEP carboxylase. Now this PEP case was also present in the C4 pathway, so it is the same enzyme. And similar to that, okay, similar to C4, it will be converted to malic acid or malate. Now the enzyme that is acting here is NAD plus malic dehydrogenase, and that malate will be stored in the vacuole during the night time, and that will be the end of the night phase. Once it is the daytime, the stomatas will be closed here, and no further carbon dioxide will be able to taken up by the plant, and the stored malic acid which was there in the vacuole now will come out of the vacuole, and it will enter the chloroplast, and in the chloroplast NADP plus malic enzyme will act upon that malate, and it will be converted back into the carbon dioxide. So basically that bicarbonate carbon, extra carbon that was added to the phosphoenol pyruvate here, is now given back into the chloroplast. That carbon dioxide can now undergo Calvin cycle here, and you have pyruvate. So from pyruvate again you can carry forward the process of gluconeogenesis, and you can again form your starch. So basically this is the way these plants have adapted to these environments, and they are undergoing this crassulacean acid metabolism. I hope this whole pathway was clear to you guys and was helpful. See you in the next lecture video. Till then, bye bye.